Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I want to share a trick to move while Frostspore code is active in Hardtopia. In this week 3 of Winter Frostspore event in Hardtopia, you need the Frostspore code effect to unlock the unique blue skin. But there's a problem when you turn into a snowman like this. You can do anything in 5 minutes like this. But don't worry, here's a simple trick so you can still play normally. First, just find a friend or any NPC nearby and then just interact with her like this. And once you interact like this, you will return to your normal character forms like this. But the Frostspore code timer is still active like this. And that means you can walk, farm an orifice, or just do quests freely while the effect continues counting down. So you don't have to waste 5 minutes standing still anymore. And okay, that's it. The super useful trick for finishing the event faster and getting the blue skin easily. Just try it. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.